welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I am going to show you Pesarattu or Moong dal crepe. I have soaked it for overnight, but if you want it quickly then you can just put hot water and soak it for 1 or 2 hours. I have done the blending, so we need other ingredients. We need some salt, and this is rice flour and chopped onion. You can take red onion or yellow onion, and ginger finely chopped, and a little bit coriander or cilantro and green chillies. So into the moong dal batter, I'm going to add rice flour, 2 teaspoons, and I'm adding just half spoon salt. I'm going to mix this. So batter is ready. Skillet is already heated. I'm just adding little bit oil. I always use cast iron skillet, and I try to avoid non-stick. So I'm taking at least 3 to 4 spoons batter. I'm going to spread it quickly and add few drops of oil. Some part of it has already browned, but the thicker part is already still wet, so we need to press this. Or if you want, you can take the thick part like this, but I would like to press it. So the one which is already wet, then this comes out. I'm going to add chopped onions mixed with ginger and green chilies. Just add them as much you need it. I'm going to make it half, because when we fold it, then it will not fall. This is done. It looks nice and crispy. For full recipe, do look into description box. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, share with your friends.